The EBOSS Hybrid Energy System is transforming power solutions by delivering uninterrupted power, cutting fuel consumption and emissions by up to 80% compared to traditional generators, and reducing maintenance needs by 75 to 85%. The EBOSS Hybrid System is a compact plug-and-play solution comprised of a power module and a charging system. The load is connected to the power module. The charging system turns on only to recharge the power module battery when it runs low, and shuts off once the battery is full. At all times, the load remains powered solely from the power module, even while the charging system is active. A traditional diesel generator is sized to handle peak loads during equipment startup, which often results in it being oversized for continuous loads. In typical applications, the generator operates at around 10% of its rated capacity, leading to light loading on the engine. Operating at low loads prevents the engine from reaching peak efficiency and optimal temperatures, causing unburned fuel to pass through the exhaust. Over time, this leads to carbon buildup, a condition known as wet stacking. The EBOSS is fuel efficient, using up to 80% less fuel compared to a conventional diesel generator. On a typical application, a traditional generator would need to refuel 2.5 times on a site before the EBOSS would require refueling. With the EBOSS, the diesel engine consistently operates at peak efficiency, reaching optimal temperatures each time it charges the battery, reducing light loading and wet stacking. The hybrid system significantly extends the generator's lifespan by minimizing run times, resulting in reduced maintenance and repair costs. Other battery energy storage systems often require multiple units with complex control systems, resulting in a larger footprint and more time-consuming, complicated setups. These systems typically connect the diesel generator to both the battery and the load, allowing the generator to charge the battery while simultaneously powering the load. However, fluctuating load demands and battery charge rate limitations can prevent the generator from operating at peak efficiency. Since the generator is also connected to the load, varying demands can lead to improper sizing and further inefficiencies. Our EBOSS solution provides uninterrupted power for maximum reliability, powered by an ultra-high cycle life LTO battery designed to last the entire life of the EBOSS without replacement. The EBOSS seamlessly connects in parallel an unlimited number of times, simplifying communication systems while enhancing power and redundancy capabilities. This flexibility enables you to adapt and scale effortlessly to meet the evolving power demands of any application in any industry. The EBOSS minimizes fuel consumption and carbon emissions, creating a positive impact in your industry and across the globe. Contact us today at anacorp.com to find out more.